Hello everyone! I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to Learn English with Sapna. Let's learn some useful English together. Let's get started. Welcome to episode 10. Today, we'll learn useful English for visiting a bank, asking questions, and handling simple banking needs. When you enter a bank, you may need to explain why you're there. A simple greeting and a clear question can make the conversation easier.
Good morning. Welcome to the bank. How may I help you today? Are you here to open an account?
Yes, I'd like to open a new account. Could you please tell me which documents I need to bring with me?
You'll usually need a valid identification document and some personal information. The exact requirements may depend on the type of account.
I understand. Is there a minimum amount of money I need to deposit when I open the account?
It depends on the type of account you choose. I can check the requirements for you and explain the opening deposit before you decide.
Once my account is open, can I get a bank card and use an ATM to withdraw money whenever I need it?
I understand. If I want to add money to my account later, can I deposit cash at this bank?
Yes. After opening your account, you may receive a bank card for ATM use. Keep your card and PIN safe, and never share your PIN.
Yes, you can deposit cash at the bank. Simply tell the teller how much you want to deposit.
That's helpful. How can I check my account balance? Can I check it at the bank? Or through an ATM?
You can ask a bank employee for your balance, or you may check it through an ATM. Some accounts also offer digital ways to check your balance.
Can I also transfer money into my account online, or do I need to visit the bank every time?
Many banks offer online or mobile banking, so you may be able to transfer money without visiting the branch. It depends on your account and the bank.
If I need cash, can I withdraw it from an ATM? Also, is there a daily withdrawal limit?
Yes, you can withdraw cash from an ATM. The daily limit depends on your bank and account, so it's best to check your specific limit.
I have one more question. Does the bank charge any fees for ATM withdrawals or other transactions?
Some transactions may have fees, depending on the bank and account. It's always a good idea to ask about charges before making a transaction.
Thank you. If I have a problem with my account later, how can I contact the bank for help?
You can contact customer service or visit the branch for help. Keep your account details ready so the bank can assist you more easily.
Excellent work! Ali, what useful English phrases can you remember from today's banking conversation?
I learned how to ask about opening an account, required documents, deposits, withdrawals, account balances, and bank fees.
Excellent work today. Now you know how to ask questions and have a simple conversation at a bank. Keep practicing these useful expressions, and I'll see you in our next English lesson.